Sustainability is at the core of UPM, and it's at the core of UPM operations in Uruguay. We have a large base of eucalyptus plantations. We have developed plantations in a sustainable way. There are many elements to sustainability. There is the way we operate, which makes this plantations operation sustainable in terms of the social impact, the economic impact, the environmental impact. So we have FSC and PEFC certified plantations. 100% of the operations are traceable, so we have full traceability of the wood. And then of course there are the other dimensions like soil and water. We also have monitoring programs on how the plantations we run in Uruguay have no impact to the environment, to the conservation of the environment, and are in a way sustainable to run in the long term.
The main end use for our pulp is tissue production, so this is the main one. Then second will come specialty papers, and then printing and writing on third. And if we look about the markets, the main market for Paso de los Toros nowadays is Asia, so China specifically, and then Europe will be the second market. Now the design capacity has been reached in most of the departments, and we are still in the process of stabilizing and consolidating the production, so to reach then in the next year the full design capacity that is 2.1 million tons per year. Yes, the main byproduct is the electricity, so we are producing electricity partly with the waste of the process, but also over the years in Fray Bentos we have been working on how to reutilize the waste from the process.
About the wood processing area, well, it was quite challenging in the sense that we were going to dimension an area that was going to be able to supply the biggest fiberline that is currently in operation now. Considering the size of the new equipment, we had to install biggest equipment that were not in operation yet. So in that sense it was quite challenging, but nowadays we are quite happy with the result. In the wood processing area, the chip pile is huge. The chip pile is 140 meters diameter and the height is 30 meters. It's even more amazing to consider that this huge pile that is 143,000 cubic meters, and this amount of chips can be consumed by the fiberline in 4 or 5 days. Digester as well is impressive. It has more than almost 70 meters height and more than 6,000 cubic meters. And then in drying machine, the most impressive is probably the size of the web. There are 2 parallel drying machines, and the width of the web inside the dryer is 10 meters. When the web is inside the dryer, it's more than 1 kilometer. It's also impressive.
Okay, we know ANDRITZ as a maintenance supplier for many years. Since the construction of Fray Bentos, they have been working with us, and it's a long-term partner on that. And for a greenfield operation, it's very good to have the focus on building the team for the operation, and also develop the operation and stabilizing, while then the ANDRITZ team focuses on the maintenance, and then we can improve both at the same time.